Living flame, number 15. It is the Lord. We read from John chapter 21. When it was already dawn, Jesus was standing on the shore, but the disciples did not realize that it was Jesus. Jesus said to them, "Children, have you caught anything to eat?" They answered him, "No." So he said to them, "Cast the net over the right side of the boat, and you will find something." So they cast it, and were not able to pull it in because of the number of fish. So the disciple whom Jesus loved said to Peter, "It is the Lord." When Simon Peter heard that it was the Lord, he tucked in his garment, for he was lightly clad, and jumped into the sea. Dominus est, it is the Lord. This is the theme of the third Sunday of Easter. Pag walang huli, pagpagod na pagod, dahil parang wala namang kinahinatnan ang ating mga pagpupunyagi, ang ating mga pagsisikap sa buhay, katulad ng mga alagad. Sa Ebanghelyong ito, nangisda sila ng buong gabi, pero wala silang nahuli. At nung mag-uumaga na, ang isang stranghero na hindi naman nila kilala, akala nila'y multo, sinabihan sila na pwede nyo pang ihagis na ulit si panibagong bahagi naman ng bangka. Minsan, ayaw na natin na maghagis na ulit ng lambat. At minsan, ayaw din nating sumunod na ihagis sa kabilang banda ang lambat. Ito yung sitwasyon ng mga alagad sa Ebanghelyo natin. Kung ako yon o kung tayo yon, minsan pagod na eh. Ayaw na natin. Ayaw na natin na kumilos. Ayaw na natin mag-try ulit. Pagod na. Ayawan na. Pero kakaiba din ang mga alagad, at yun din naman ang nakakatuwa sa kanila. They were fishermen. They were hard. They were working hard the whole night. They caught nothing. And yet they had the humility of heart to listen to this stranger that they did not recognize yet. They obeyed him. Strange that they obeyed him. Pero siguro ganun din minsan ang tao. In your desperation, susunod ka na lang. Yung ibang tao naman, in your desperation, hihilata ka na lang o susuko ka na lang. The disciples chose to listen instead of being stubborn or hard-headed, like most of us. So they listened to the stranger. And true enough, when they cast their net to the other side, they caught 153 large fish. Mga kapatid, ito yung mensahe sa atin sa living flame na ito, na kailangang magningas ang pag-asa sa atin at hindi dapat ito mawala o hindi dapat ito mamatay. We cannot snuff out the flame, the burning flame inside each one of us. And let us listen to Jesus again and again. Let us obey the Lord. Let us not be stubborn or hard-headed. Let us always be like the disciples. Even if they were frustrated, even if they were tired, they listened, they obeyed. And then John said to Peter and the other disciples, "It is the Lord." Make no mistake about it. It is the Lord. Friends, every time we get tired, every time we feel so low, and we feel that we're about to give up, always cast the net to the other side. Always listen to the invitation of God for us to put out into the deep. Do not allow yourself to be defeated, to resign, to give up. Keep the flame alive. Keep the hope burning inside you. It is the Lord. It is the Lord who will help us. It is the Lord who will save us. So in this living flame, the invitation on this third Sunday of Easter for all of us. Keep the flame of hope alive in your heart.